Welcome to the world of trivia. Discover intriguing facts, hidden histories, and surprising stories from across the world. Expand your knowledge and wild guess. Let's go! Which country has the longest railway line in the world, stretching over 9,000 kilometers, 5,600 miles? A. Eswatini, Swaziland. B. China. C. Japan. D. Russia. The correct answer is D. Russia. Yes, it's Russia. Did you know that? Trans-Siberian Railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway is the longest railway line in the world, stretching over 9,000 kilometers, 5,600 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok, crossing 8 time zones and diverse landscapes.